Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is Pipes and Systems Part 2. So if you haven't watched Part 1 video, please do watch Part 1 video. I will post that link in description and then come to this Part 2 video. So in this, the first question it is given as an electric pump A can fill a tank in 4 hours. Because of a leak in the tank, it takes 4.5 hours to fill a tank. If the tank is full, how much time will leak take to empty it? So in previous video we have already discussed this formula. If a pipe take X hours to fill the tank, then the work done by the pipe per 1 hour will be 1 by X. So similarly, if 1 by X the work done by the pipe per 1 hour, then it will take X hours to fill the tank. So here it is given as A can fill a tank in 4 hours. So A can fill a tank in 4 hours. So the work done by the A per 1 hour is 1 by 4. Here they are telling because of the leak in the tank it took 4.5 hours. So the pipe A plus leak combinedly took 4.5 hours. So 4 2 are 8, 9 by 2 hours. So A plus pipe A plus leak work per 1 hour is equal to, we have to inverse it as we are taking work per hour, that is 2 by 9. So A's work per 1 hour is 1 by 4 plus leak we don't know, that is 2 by 9. So leak work per hour is equal to 2 by 9 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to, take 36 as LCM, 9 4s, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 9s, that is equal to minus 1 by 36. So work done by the leak pipe is 1 by 36. Here we got minus, as we are emptying we got minus. So convert this work into hours, just invert it, that is 36 hours. So to empty the tank, leak will take 36 hours. So they have asked how much time will leak take to empty it. So it is 36 hours. Okay. So in the second question it is given as two pipes A, B can fill a tank in 14 hours and 16 hours respectively. And the pipes are opened simultaneously. And due to leakage, it takes 32 minutes more to fill cistern. When cistern is full, in what time will the leak empty? So they have given A will take 14 hours and B take 16 hours. So A's work per 1 hour is 1 by 14 and B's work per 1 hour is 1 by 16. So A plus B per 1 hour means work per hour will be 1 by 14 plus 1 by 16, that is equal to 14 and 16. LCM is 112 and 14 8s and 16 7s. Okay, 15 by 112. So we got A plus B work per hour. So A plus B will take 112 by 15 hours. So to convert work into hours, we will just invert it. And they are telling due to leakage, it takes 32 minutes more to fill a cistern. So the pipe A plus B plus leak is equal to 112 by 15 plus, because A plus B will take 112 by 15 hours and leak will take 32 minutes more. Here 112 by 15 is in hours, but 32 is they have given in minutes. So to convert minutes into hours, we will divide it by 60. So take 60 as LCM, 15 ones, that is 112 plus 60 ones. Sorry. 15 fours, 112 fours, 4 2s are 8, 448 plus 32. That is equal to 480 by 60. So A plus B plus leak will take 8 hours. So A plus B plus leak 1 hour work will be per hour is equal to 1 by 8. So A plus B work done per 1 hour, we got it as 15 by 112. So A plus B per hour plus leak is equal to 1 by 8. From this, A plus B work done per hour is 15 by 112. That is 15 by 112 plus leak work per hour is equal to 1 by 8. So leak is equal to 1 by 8 minus 15 by 112. So take 112 as LCM. 8 14s minus 15. That is equal to minus 1 by 112. So the work done by the leak per 1 hour is minus 1 by 12. So to convert into time, so the leak will take 112 hours to empty the tank. Here we got minus because it is emptying. So it is given as what time will the leak take to empty it. So it will take 112 hours. Okay. So in this third question it is given as two pipes A, B fill a tank in 36 minutes and 45 minutes respectively, and a waste pipe C can empty the tank in 30 minutes. First pipes A, B are opened. After 7 minutes pipe C also opened. In how much time tank is full? So A took 36 minutes and B took 45 minutes. So the work done by the A per 1 minute is per 1 minute, that is 1 by 36, and similarly work done by the B per 1 minute is 1 by 45. So A plus B work per 1 minute is equal to 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45. So for 36 and 45, 180 is the LCM, and 36 5s and 45 4s, that is equal to 5 by 180. So that is equal to 1 by 20. So A plus B work per 1 minute is 1 by 20. So after 7 minutes pipe C also opened. So for first 7 minutes only A and B are opened. So for 1 minute it can fill 1 by 20th part. So for 7 minutes it can fill. So for 7 minutes A plus B work per 7 minutes is equal to 7 into 1 by 20, that is 7 by 20. So the remaining work will be total work, that is 1 minus 7 by 20, that is equal to 13 by 20. After 7 minutes C has also opened. So the work done after 7 minutes will be A plus B plus C. A will take 36 minutes. So the work done by the A is 1 by 36 per 1 minute, and B 1 by 45. And C is emptying the tank, so we have to take minus, and it will empty the tank in 30 minutes. So the work done by the C is 1 by 30 minus 1 by 30. Take 180 as LCM, 36 5s, 45 4s, and 36. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 minus 6, 3 by 180. that is 1 by 60. So A plus B plus C per 1 minute work is 1 by 60th part. So per 1 minute 1 by 60th part. So the remaining part is 13 by 20. So for 13 by 20 part, let it be x minutes. That is x by 60 is equal to 13 by 20. 21s and 23s. X is equal to 13 3 39 minutes. The total time is 7 minutes. Because for first 7 minutes only A and B is there. So we should also include that 7 minutes and 39 minutes. After 7 minutes he has also joined 39 minutes. That is equal to 39 plus 7, 46 minutes. So the total time to fill the tank is 46 minutes. What we have done is, for first 7 minutes only A and B has opened. So we found the work done by A and B per 7 minutes, and we have found out remaining work. So this remaining work should be done by A, B and C, 3 pipes, because after 7 minutes 3 pipes has opened. So we have found out this work, that is 39 minutes. We have added 7 minutes because for the first A and B has opened. So 39 plus 7, so the total time is 46 minutes. Okay. So I will discuss more problems related to pipes and systems in upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.